Welcome back, Freedom Savers. Happy New Year to everyone. I hope you had good holidays. I'm just going to do a quick update here on all of my portfolios at once and tell you about one new one. So this is the end of the year updates and how my portfolios are at the moment at the end of this year. All right, guys, this will be the end of the year update and show you where my portfolios stand at the end of 2018. And 2019, we will have the entire year to see how all of these different investing strategies work out for us. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. I do updates every single week on all of my portfolios, and I have quite a few at this point. I'm up to 120 subscribers, and I want to thank you all for tuning in and checking out what I'm doing. And hopefully it's motivating you to invest yourself and get started early, because I'm telling you, time is of the essence. If you're young and you have years and years before you retire, this is the time to start investing right now, because that compound interest is amazing. But I'm not here to preach on that today. I'm here to do an update, so let's do it. So we'll start with the Roth. Our current value is $5166.93. I've deposited $5,500 for the year, which is the max. $5.70 in cash there. We'll hit up our spreadsheet. $5166.93, $5,500 deposited for a loss of $333.07. This is the current year's graph. As you can see, it increasing all the way through with my deposits. Dividends. So we earned a total of $32.60 in dividends this year in the Roth. In October, we earned $1.53, November, $4.69, and December, $14.30. And I'm sorry, those are dividends that were actually paid to me, not earned. This is our total earned. So that adds up to a total of $20.52 that we were paid in dividends this year. So overall on the portfolio, we did have a few sales this year. We sold off Brown-Forman Class B shares. There was some data inconsistencies, so I got rid of those. Garrett Motion was a spinoff from Honeywell, and then I sold off Douglas Emmett and Norfolk Southern. Trying to remember why I sold those. I think I was replacing the stocks with something else. I did sell off General Dynamics as well, and then again another spinoff from Honeywell got sold, and then Praxair merged with Linde. And Linde is a German company, and I want only domestic stocks in my Roth. So I went ahead and I sold that off as well. Yearly dividends are all fully updated at this point. So by the end of this year, I am now making $178.81 per year in dividend income, which divides up to be approximately $14.90 a month for a total return of 3.25%. Last week, there were 5 investing days for me. I invested a total of $300, increasing the yearly income by $11.05, which gives me a total yield on cost of 3.68%, which is better than the overall return so far. Graphs, you can see my diversification between all my sectors. Dividends paid, obviously, are growing every single month, and my deposits have been consistent. So that's the Roth. Let's hop over to our taxable crazy aggressive dividend portfolio. Current value is $1,216.35 with $2.13 in cash. I've deposited $1,270, so it is currently down by $53.65. I earned a total of $11.65 and was paid $3.83 of that in 2018. The only thing we've sold in here is when we modified the portfolio to be even more risky with lots of BDCs and MREITs. And during that time, I originally added these 2 times leveraged ETNs, which are exchange traded notes. I did a lot of research on these and found that the longer you hold these, the more money you lose over time. There's a decreasing return the longer you hold them, essentially. The leveraged ETFs, ETNs, and all those good things, they're not good to hold long term. So we'll go to our yearly income on this one, and there was 3 investing days past week or 2. I deposited a total of $150, increasing the yearly income by $18.17, giving me an overall yield on cost of 12.11%, which is fantastic. My yearly income from the aggressive dividend portfolio is $166.85, which is about $13.90 per month. Next, the completely random stock portfolio. Now this one's only a week old, maybe. Yeah, it's only a little over 1 week old. It's like 1 week and a day. And I am up by $26.03. This is my only portfolio I'm up on for the year. We've earned 38 cents in dividends. Nothing's been paid, of course. There's been no sell activity. Yearly dividends on this portfolio, this should produce $24.16 per year. That divides up to $2.01 per month. So that's the random stock portfolio. And one more, the new portfolio, which I did a video on. If you look at this video right here, stock analysis and the new no debt allowed portfolio. I also go over a lot of how I analyze stocks, or at least how I analyze stocks specifically for this portfolio. And there's a lot of good information in there if you want to learn a little bit more about how to analyze stocks. But back to this is our no debt allowed portfolio. Basically what this is companies that are completely debt-free, and only companies that are completely debt-free. Now, what I mean by debt-free is, while a couple of these companies, if you look at their financials, they may have some short-term or long-term debt on their balance sheet, but they also have more than enough cash to pay that debt off instantly. So they're technically debt-free. They have no debt because they have the cash to pay their debts completely. So every one of these 7 companies are 100% debt-free. This portfolio by itself is providing 4.24% yield, which is pretty good. So this no debt one should be rather safe because these companies have the cash, the debt to pay the dividend for a long time. They don't use debt, so they're just 100% profit, pretty much. To that spreadsheet, I deposited $100 even on this one so far, and its value currently is $99.67, which is a loss of 33 cents. There's only been 2 trading days though since I opened this account, and I bought $100 worth of stuff. So yearly dividends, this is currently producing $4.22 in yearly dividends with 35 cents a month, which is an overall return of 4.22%, which is pretty awesome. This is the actual diversification of the sectors: services, consumer cyclical, technology, consumer defense, and financial. Portfolio is actually right here. We got Waddell and Reed Financial. Pets is PetMed Express. WSO is Watsco, Ethan Allen, Garmin, Paychex Incorporated, and T. Rowe. All of them 100% debt free. So we will see how this portfolio works during 2019. I am contributing to this one on a regular basis. I believe I set it up to be funded for $25 a week on Tuesdays. I figured my other portfolio, my aggressive one, I'm depositing $50 a week on Mondays. I will do the deposits on Tuesdays on this one. So yeah, that's the new no debt portfolio. I also, if you didn't already notice it and see it, have one more portfolio set up. Unfortunately, the bank account has not been verified on that one yet. So hopefully tomorrow that'll happen and I can start depositing into it. And that is the monthly dividends portfolio. I'm excited about this one. This is all of the United States companies that pay a monthly dividend, to my knowledge. Some of these could be riskier than others. I glanced at their financials, but I did not go in depth, and there's a lot that I could be missing on many of these. But I took the list of all the monthly dividend paying stocks that are in the United States, because I don't want to deal with the whole foreign one and writing off and getting the credit and all that good stuff at the end of the year right now. And it came up with, I believe, 25 of them. Yes, 25 companies with a total dividend yield of 10.27%. I'm really excited about this one and seeing these dividends rolling in every single month. I'm not depositing a lot into this right now. Actually, I don't even have it set up yet because it's not verified my bank. So once it verifies my bank, I will be depositing at least $25 a week into this, possibly more. So that is the end of the year of 2018. Now, you know, all these portfolios were started late in the year, so there's not a whole lot to see overall about the year's performance. Only a couple of months on a couple of them and only a couple of weeks on others. 2019 should be exciting to see how all of these perform. The random stock portfolio I'm also really excited about. I find it a very interesting strategy. And yes, it is actually a strategy. There are actually articles out there from hedge fund managers and well-known investors and managers who show that picking random stocks outperforms the S&P 500. One hedge fund manager claims it actually outperforms, and they did tests and tested this, said it outperformed 99 out of 100 times. Still a small example, but I also read an article of why this actually works. The article indicates that the reason that this strategy works is because out of the thousands of stocks that you're picking randomly from, the majority of those stocks are small cap companies. The small cap companies have outperformed the larger cap companies overall on average. So it makes sense that if you randomly pick stocks out of 1,000, 1,400 stocks, that the majority of them will be small cap companies. And it also makes sense that small cap companies would outperform the others in growth. So that makes sense. So we will see if our random stock portfolio continues to perform better than our other portfolios, or whether it just nosedives and dies on us in 2019. So I'm excited about this one. I'm really excited about this random portfolio. This one, our monthly dividend one, our aggressive one that I've totally modified with BDCs and MREITs. I'm excited about all my portfolios, guys. I don't know what to say. I'm excited about them all. And I'll probably make more, just knowing me. I know I'm setting up one more account after our monthly dividend one, and I'm not quite sure what strategy I'm going to use on that one yet, but I have no doubt that I will come up with something. So there we go, guys. And actually, the monthly dividend one, I'm still not sure what I want to do, whether I want to average in or just throw $1,000 even in it. I guess you'll find out next week or at the end of this week. So anyway, that's all I got. This is the end of 2018. This is all my portfolios, where they stand at the moment, not counting my 401k, of course. Happy New Year, and we'll see how these do this year. So have a good one, guys. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.